Hey guys, hi. This is Trishi Ralva. So we are starting with the first session of GMAT, that is the general mental ability for competitive exams. So the first topic that we are starting with is matrix coding. You might be aware of the position and coordinate system. You might have learnt it in your chapter motion in physics and coordinate geometry in your mathematics, right? Similarly, we have matrix coding here in GMAT. Actually, directly it's not similar to position and coordinate system, but yeah, if you know this position and coordinate system, it will be helpful for you. See, the point P is represented by P bracket x comma y, right? At the first, the position at the x axis is noted, and then the y axis is noted, right? Yeah. Now I will show you some 3 matrices, okay, example matrix, and we'll solve some problems related to that. So first, matrix 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So DKAEC, DKAEC, CDKAE, KCEAD, KCDEA, KCDEA, and EDAKC. This is matrix 1, matrix 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. PLOTN, PLOTN, TPNLO, NLO, PNTOL, PNTOL, ONTPL, ONTPL, LOPNT, LOPNT. Yes. So there will be 2 matrices given like this, okay, right? With these matrices, what should you do? See, the question will be posted like this. There will be a word given for you, cold, something like this, okay, and certain number choices will be given. For example, I will take it as 44, 96, 95, 92, then B 31, 99, 77, 22, 31, 99, 77, 22, C 30, 66, 30, 66, 86, and 43, D 10, 85, 10, 85, 79, 24. So first, just observe these numbers, okay. Locate 44 in this matrix. So 4 and 4, 44. So 4 is here, 4 is here, okay. Know that first we have to represent x and then y, right? Similarly here also we have to represent this thing. What is this called as? This is a column. Column wise options first and then the row wise numbers, okay. See, so I located 4 here, right? 4, 4 is here, and 4 is here. So 4, 4, 44. Does it represent C? Yes, it represents C. So this is correct. And 96 in the second matrix. 9 is here. Okay. 9 is here. 6 is here. So is this correct? Oh, it represents correct. Oh, 95. 9 is here only. 9 is again here. And 5. So, 5 is here. So, here, this option. Yes, it's L. And 92. 9. Oh, 1 second. Yeah. So, 92 clearly it's in the matrix 1. Okay, so you cannot represent it. So, it's wrong. So, this option is eliminated. And next, 31. 3, 1. So 3 is here, 1 is here. The letter is C, correct. C is correct. 99, 9, 9. Okay, it's wrong. So this option is also eliminated. See, matrix coding is full of elimination only. It's nothing but elimination. There is no logic behind it. Okay, and 3 is 0. 3 is here. 0 is here only. So K, it starts from K. No, it is wrong. Therefore 1 0, just check it off if it is correct. So C is correct. 85, 8 is here, 5 is here. O is correct. And 79, 7 9, L is correct. Okay, and D 24, 2 4, D is correct. So this is the option. This forms the word cold according to position coordinates of letter. With respect to, I'll write it as WRT with respect to the numbers. Okay. Therefore option 4 is the correct answer. So you will get 1 mark. So you saw that matrix coding is a really very easy chapter. We will solve one more problem, one more matrix, okay, and 2 more questions from that, 2 questions from that, and we'll end this chapter. So we'll post you some questions through Google Classroom. Please do join the Google Classroom. Okay, it is in our previous videos. You can check it out. So okay, let's start. Where is it? Yeah, I hope you are able to understand whatever I say. 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4. So this is matrix 1, FANOI, IOFAN, IOFAN, ANOIF, ANOIF, OFINA, OFINA, and NIAFO, NIAFO. Matrix 2, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, matrix 2. Matrix 2, 5, SEHBT, SEHBT, HSETH, oh sorry, HSETB, not H, HSETB, BTSEH, BTSEH, EHTBS, EHTBS, and TSEHB, TSEHB. Okay, though these are the matrices given to you, okay, to solve the 2 questions. and the first word is both. Option A is given as 88, 30, 85, 86. Option B is 75, 22, 76, 79. Option C is 69, 67, 68, 59. Option D is 58, 02, 68, 65. Come, let's start eliminating the options. So 8 is here, 8 is here, and B, it's B. So B is correct. 30, O, 30, O is correct. 85, 8 is here, 5 is here. So this is wrong. So option is eliminated. Next, 75, 75, yeah, B, correct. B is correct. Right. And 22, 2, O, yeah. O is correct. 76, 7, 6, T is correct. And 79, 7, 9, H, 79. So all are correct, all the letters are correct, so it's option B. I hope you are understanding it. See, you should start from the column wise. So the tens digit will be there, right? That is in the column wise options, and ones digit it will be in the row wise option. That is like this: horizontal option, vertical option. You have to start with vertical options because you have to start with tens digit. Okay. 8, find 8 here, find 8 here. The position coordinate system, the point where both the lines intersect. Okay, that point or that letter should be what, similar to this. Okay, like if B is coded as 88, so if you find what intersecting point as B, intersecting letter as B, so it's correct. Okay, if some other letter is there in the as the intersecting point instead of B, then it's wrong and the whole option will be wrong. So all the letters in the word should be matching with their coordinates. That's the trick here. And let's solve the last question for today about the matrix. So I hope you found it interesting. GMAT is a very interesting subject. There are very interesting logics also, but this is actually very easy. It doesn't have any logic as such. So next is nest. So option 1 is 0, 2, 5, 6, 5, 5, 5, 9. Option 2 is 21, 76, 77, 76. Option C 14, 67, 66, 69. Option D 33, 85, 88, 86. See, if you are smart enough, you might have observed something. Here 76 is repeated twice. It shouldn't repeat twice as there are no similar letters. So this option directly is eliminated. And 0, 2. 0 is here, 2 is here, N is okay. 56, 5, 6, E is okay. 55, S is okay. And 59, T. So it's option 1. Straightforward answer. If you are smart enough, if you find some similar numbers coded for a letter, okay, it might be correct or it might be wrong. You have to look into it. Okay, it's very easy. See, how did I find it? 0 is here, 2 is here. So the point is this thing, N is so next first letter is N only, so N is okay. 56, 5, 6, 5 is here, 6 is here, so E The next letter is E here, so it corresponds, so this is E. And 55, 55 S, the next letter is S, so S. And 59, 59 T, it's T. So option 1 is the correct answer. So you might get 4 to 5 questions from matrix point of view. So please do practice more and more questions. Please join our Google Classroom. You can see it in the previous videos. Okay, see the link, that is the Olympiad section, Olympiad sessions on Google Classroom. We'll be posting certain worksheets related to related to these concepts, that is matrix coding. In the next session of GMAT, we will be focusing on another topic called as pyramid puzzle. Okay, pyramid puzzles. This is also a very easy topic. Okay, till then, see you.